class 5 children, how are you? Today I am going to teach you moral science. Yes children, this is moral science class. So in moral science period or in moral science, in each and every chapter you will be learning the some moral of the chapter. Yes children, this is your prescribed book. See, and today I am going to start the first chapter. It is apples in heaven. Yes, this story is based on God's timing. Can you explain what is a God's timing? Yes, God timing means that God has decided the time for each and everything. You will not get the result before the time. Like your birth is decided and your death is decided. You cannot take the birth before the time, or your death will not come before the time. So yes children, let us start the chapter. Yes children, let us start. The chapter name is Apples in Heaven. I already told you this chapter is based on God's timing. Yes, sometimes we put in our complete efforts and dedication, but still things get delayed or things go wrong. Why? Can you tell me why? Yes, because God has planned something different for us. We should accept His plans and believe in His timing. Yes, children? This story is based on a little girl. Once there was a little girl on earth. One fine day, she came to know that God is distributing apples to humans in His place at heaven. Heaven means where the God lives. The little girl was so happy to receive the news that she went with a lot of excitement. Excitement means full of enjoyment to heaven to get the apple from God. There was a big queue standing to get the apples from God, and this kid also joined in the queue. Yes, children, why did she join the queue? For the toffee? For the ice cream? No. She joined the queue because she won't get apple from God. While she was standing, she was excited and thrilled to think that she is going to receive an apple from God's hand. When her turn came, the little girl opened both her hands to receive the apple from God. Yes, children, why little girl was excited? Because it was her chance to get the apple. Now, let us see what happened. God gave her the apple. Unfortunately, the tiny hands could not hold the big apple. The apple fell down and got wasted in the mud. Oh, she could not hold the apple and it fell down. The little girl was very disappointed. The minister near God informed that if the little girl wanted to have an apple from God again, she has to follow the queue once more. Having waited so long, the little girl did not want to return to earth empty-handed. So, she decided to wait again in the queue. This time, the queue had become even longer than the previous one. The little girl could see a lot of people return back with the apple in their hands and complete satisfaction on their faces. She was very disappointed and said to herself, "Why me alone did not get the apple in hand when all others were able to get it?" Again her turn came, and God gave the apple to the little girl, and after giving the apple spoke to her. "My dear child, last time after giving you the apple, I noticed that the apple gave you was rotten." Rotten means, children, what is the meaning of rotten? Not in good condition or very bad. Rotten apple, and that is why I made that you fall down from your hands. Having given you rotten apple, I felt bad for you and wanted to give you the best apple in the farm. That time the best apple in the farm was growing, so I made you wait such a long little time in the queue. Yes, children. Now, can you tell me why first time apple fell down from her hand? Yes, because that time was not made for her to take the apple. When the time come, the God has given the apple to the little girl. Yes, children, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is trust in God's timing. Yes, children, one more moral, always believe in God's. Yes, children, always believe in God's timing. He give us what we need at the correct time. Yes, children, I hope you all have purchased the book. After this video, read the chapter carefully for better understanding. Now discuss the exercises of this chapter. You have to write all the exercises in your copy. First is word meaning. First is heaven, a place regarded in various religions as the home of God. Second is excitement. Excitement means enjoyment or interest. Rotten, very bad. The second is fill in the blanks. First, yes children, I am going to read out the fill in the blanks. It will be easy for you. First is, one fine day, the little girl came to know that God is distributing apples to humans in his place at heaven. Second, unfortunately, the tiny hands could not hold that big apple. Third, the little girl waited again in the queue because she did not want to return empty-handed to earth. Fourth, the little girl could see a lot of people return back with the apple in their hands and satisfaction on their face. Fifth, when things get delayed, we should believe in God's timing. The next is true and false. You have to write the true if the sentence is correct and false if the sentence is wrong. First, the little girl was very afraid to receive the apple from God's hand. It is false. The girl was disappointed because she alone could not get the apple in hand while all others got it. This sentence is true. Third, God made the first apple fall down from the little girl's hand because it was rotten. It is true. God wanted the little girl to wait for the apple because he wanted to show her how great he is. This sentence is false. Fifth, we should believe in God's timing. He gave us what we need at the correct time. Yes, children, this is enough for today. In my next video, I will give you the question answer and assignment. Yes, children, complete all the work. Very soon, I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.